Hi all, Ash here, and we are in Dotonbori. This is the more crazier and fun side of it, where they have a whole bunch of street food, lots of lights, and just amazing sights to be found. Let's go ahead and check out everything that Dotonbori has to offer right now. 1, 2, 3. There are just so many lights and everything to find here. Let's see if she's gonna like these octopus balls.
Yeah.
Nah, you gotta wait, honestly.
You just bite into it, or?
Yeah, but they're kind of hot, so kind of stab them a little bit to air them out a bit. That way you don't burn. Yeah, look, do you see the steam coming out? So pro tip, stab them just a little bit so the steam can kind of come out, and then they will be way more edible right after. So basically, you just put the whole thing in your mouth and give it a try. Oh, look.
Yeah. You think it's just that much steam just because it's cold out here?
Maybe, it could be. All right, give it a try. Eat the whole thing. It's too hot?
Yeah.
Oh my god. All right, round 2. The other one did not work, but we stabbed those suckers open, and now they should be a little bit more edible. All right. Give it a try. Just shove it in your mouth again.
Oh.
Still?
It's too hot.
It's way too hot. You can't even enjoy it. Is the taste good at least? Remember what you can taste? Mm-hmm. Okay, there you go. Well, at least she approves on the taste. Just ridiculously hot for some reason.
All right.
There's a lot of people, huh? Yeah, this place is really, really packed. However, can you really blame them? It seems like a cool place to just kind of vibe to. That was you when you tried the hot food right now. With a giant sushi hand too. Yeah, all these signs are kind of like part of the charm of Dotonbori actually. They're like everywhere. They look cool though, huh?
Yeah, they're very unique.
Yeah, they are. Look at the giant octopus ball right there.
Oh, yum.
Konnichiwa. One Dotonbori Gyoza. Arigato. Okay, so I had to get some Dotonbori Gyoza. As you can tell, they are very different. They're topped with green onions, mayo, I don't know what that other sauce is, and some pickled radishes. So let's go ahead and try these as a gyoza connoisseur. They're messy but good. All those sauces really do add a little something to this thing. Dotonbori Gyoza for the win. Quick interruption from our video sponsor, Anime Dakimakura Pillow. Anime Dakimakura Pillow previously sponsored this channel, so I had a chance to check out their products beforehand. However, this time, they decided to hook us up with something even cooler. Now, last time we got the entry pillow, but this time we have the deluxe Grand Siberian pillow, and you can really feel the difference in this one actually. This one is way more padded up, definitely appreciate that. The quality of the pillow itself feels really, really good, so you are getting your money's worth when it comes to this pillow. Now, what is a pillow without a pillowcase to complement it? So they actually hooked us up with an amazing pillowcase of none other than the waifu, You're from Spy Family. Oh boy, I'm excited to put this one on. Although Lorenzo, you're not keeping this one, okay? Now the cool thing about this pillowcase, aside from it feeling silkier smooth than I even remember, I feel like this is even better than last time, is that it actually has 2 images to rock. The first image we have is of Yor in her assassin outfit looking amazing as always. And if you want something a little bit more calm, we have Yor in her casual home outfit. And now that we have the pillowcase on the pillow itself, oh my god, can I really stress how amazing the quality of this is. This pillowcase feels amazing. The print on it just looks super HD. Everything just boasts like way better quality. So you are getting what you pay for with this pillow and the actual pillowcase itself. Even the zippers themselves are like nicely subtly hidden, and they're just really sturdy and good. Oh yeah, this is a really good pillow. So once again, if you would like to grab your own Anime Dakimakura pillow, be sure to go ahead and click the link down below so you can head to animedakimakurapillow.com to go ahead and grab your waifu today. Thank you again, Anime Dakimakura Pillow, for sponsoring the channel. And back to the video. Oh, look, we're actually going to the other sign. All right, so we're at the famous Glico sign, or Glico sign. And we're actually backwards, but this is actually gonna work out really good for the vlog because you guys can actually see it a little bit better. So check him out. There he is right there. If you come to Osaka, you definitely have to come see the infamous sign right there. Although the bridge gets really, really packed, to be honest. So it's kind of hard to record and show that. This is a perfect view to show off Osaka right now. So it's not just the food, it's also the vibes too.
Is the floor moving?
It feels like it.
Right?
There's probably too many people.
Like an earthquake. Oh, I think there's like cool stuff.
The Don Quixote?
Oh, that's a Don Quixote.
Yeah, the penguins.
Never mind.
You're traumatized with Don Quixote?
Especially like, there's probably a lot of people.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
not down.
So you're like, no more Don Quixotes. All right, so we're going to our next location. You're gonna be very excited to see this place right now. You see the boats too? You remember the little penguin? Look at that penguin.
Oh my gosh.
So that's actually where we're going. Yeah, with the penguin. Yeah. So I know you don't want more Don Quixote, but there's a reason we're going here actually. I don't know if you can see the sides. There's a weird Ferris wheel around it.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna get on it. And it's a weird one. You'll see right now. So we're not here to shop. We're here to do that. Up we go.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Aww.
We barely missed it, I think.
I know, so no Ferris wheel.
Ooh,
That sucks.
that does suck.
Yeah, so that kind of gave a fizzle to the end of the video. That's one of the reasons why I wasn't sure I was going to post this one actually. But I thought it would be a fun little bonus Japan video to go ahead and show you guys our experience in Dotonbori nonetheless. But anyways, that does conclude this video, so thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment on what your favorite part of Dotonbori was. Was it the hot octopus balls? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ash out.